Welcome to our channel. Today we'll discuss about Manipurs Moreh. Manipurs Moreh, a volatile border town under the microscope. The bustling border town of Moreh, nestled in the Tengnoupal district of Manipur, India, has become synonymous with volatility in recent times. Gunfights, ambushes, and civilian casualties have painted a grim picture of this once thriving trade hub, situated on the edge of Myanmar. The recent deployment of central forces following the killing of 2 state police personnel has thrust Moreh into the national spotlight, raising critical questions about security, conflict dynamics, and the future of this strategically important region. A complex web of conflict. Understanding the current unrest in Moreh requires delving into the complex web of historical grievances, ethnic tensions, and political machinations that have plagued the region for decades. The Kuki and Naga communities, dominant in the area, have a long history of conflict, often fueled by competition for resources and political representation. This friction is further exacerbated by the porous border with Myanmar, which provides easy access for armed insurgent groups and trafficking networks. The presence of militant outfits like the People's Liberation Army, PLA, and the United National Liberation Front, UNLF, adds another layer of complexity. These groups, often operating in tandem with drug cartels and smuggling syndicates, thrive on the lawlessness and instability that pervades the region. Their attacks on security forces and civilians create an atmosphere of fear and uncertainty, hampering economic activity and jeopardizing the lives of the local populace. Escalating tensions. The recent killing of 2 state police personnel by suspected militants was a tipping point. Protests erupted, demanding stringent action against the perpetrators and improved security arrangements. The state government's response to deploy central forces, replacing state police in Moreh, further stoked tensions. While some residents welcomed the move, others voiced concerns about potential bias and cultural insensitivity on the part of unfamiliar forces. This decision also raises questions about the efficacy of state police capabilities in tackling the situation. Are they adequately equipped and trained to handle the complex security challenges in Moreh? Or is this move indicative of a deeper mistrust between the state government and local communities? Beyond the immediate crisis, addressing the volatility in Moreh requires a multi-pronged approach that transcends immediate security measures. Building trust and collaboration between all stakeholders, including local communities, ethnic groups, security forces, and the state government, is crucial. Dialogue and conflict resolution mechanisms need to be prioritized to address long-standing grievances and prevent future flare-ups. Investing in community-driven development initiatives that alleviate poverty, create livelihood opportunities, and improve access to basic necessities like healthcare and education can lay the foundation for long-term stability. Fostering a sense of economic well-being and inclusivity can gradually diminish the appeal of militant groups and criminal networks. Simultaneously, strengthening border security infrastructure and intelligence gathering is essential. Implementing robust checks and surveillance measures along the porous border with Myanmar can significantly curb the movement of insurgents and contraband. A regional flashpoint. Moreh's volatility cannot be viewed in isolation. It is a microcosm of the broader challenges faced by northeast India, a region long plagued by insurgency, ethnic conflicts, and developmental disparities. The instability in Moreh has the potential to spill over into neighboring states and even impact relations with Myanmar. Therefore, a regional approach to security and development is necessary, fostering collaboration and resource sharing between states and the central government. An uncertain future. The future of Moreh remains uncertain. Whether the recent deployment of central forces will restore peace and stability in the town, or further complicate the situation, remains to be seen. What is clear is that addressing the complex web of issues that plague Moreh requires a multifaceted approach that prioritizes community engagement, economic development, and effective border management. Only by addressing the root causes of conflict and fostering inclusivity can Moreh regain its status as a thriving border town, free from the shadow of violence and instability. Thanks for watching.